With this recording, we are going to restore a server. Now, right here, I have deleted the server before the recording, and now I will show you how to restore it. So we come down to the backup and recovery, Veeam backup and replication, and then we go to backup job. See here, jobs, backup. There we go. Okay, and then restore, Microsoft Hyper-V, restore from backup. Now we select entire VM restore. And again, on the next screen, entire VM restore. And then we add, on virtual machines, we add a machine from backup. And click the caret on the left side there and come down to ST Server 01. Add, and then click on it again and next. Okay, restore mode, restore to the original location. Next. Okay, loading VM data. So we have to wait here for a few minutes, a few seconds, I mean. Okay, we don't have to secure restore. We don't have to do that. Now, restore reason, if you want to put something in there. Now, please wait. Will be deleted from the infrastructure. Say okay. And then, let's see here. Now, power on target VM after restoring. I'm going to click that just to make things more convenient for us. And then you say finish. And now it's going to take some time to restore it. So we just sit here and wait for about 30 seconds. Okay, here we are. Restore completed successfully. Close. And now we look over here and we see, yes, it has been restored. And that's how we restore a complete server.